Bella raga, ciao a tutti dal commentatore veneziano. Ragazzi, Miami Heat, San Antonio. Terza partita, prima vittoria, seconda sconfitta, 1-1 record. E ragazzi, io vi chiedo una cosa, ma non c'è la possibilità anche di simulare qualche partita come negli altri anni? Perché se così ragazzi sarà quasi impossibile finire una stagione. Quindi vi chiedo se voi avete trovato il modo per simulare certe partite, perché per adesso io non ce l'ho. Vai. Si inizia.
San Antonio leading by 3. On the floor for San Antonio.
Vai raga.
The always reliable
Subito Parker
e
subito rimbalzo del cubo.
With LaMarcus Aldridge and it's Duncan
Vai,
at the
raga.
5 down low. Freak dishes to Dang. Bosch passes to Freak.
Merda.
Back to
Bravo,
Bosch.
vai.
Good ball movement here by the Heat.
Con il
Shot
piccolo
clock at
Bosch.
5.
Vai Wade.
Near the three-point line, it's Wade.
Rimbalzo di Green.
This is off the front iron.
Sarà bellissima la sfida con Tony.
From about
Aldridge.
19 feet. Aldridge. Good. Aldridge has got
Bello,
9.
bello. Cominciamo sempre con un canestro subito, è incredibile.
A moment now to
It's
see
incredible,
the stats
it's
for Wade.
incredible.
Last year, getting it done. Averaged
Dai.
about 15 points a game last season. 6 assists and
Vai,
2
ragazzi.
rebounds. And to have a knockdown shooter like that coming off the bench,
Vai Bosch.
a great asset.
Grandissimo
for any
Bosch.
Yeah, he always seems to supply points for this group. And yeah, things can get stagnant without that spark plug. He serves the bill there.
And the Heat making a change here.
Kuma versus Parker,
Winslow's
sfida
checked in.
meravigliosa. Duncan,
Duncan kicks to Parker. In the corner, it's Aldridge.
Albridge.
Rebound
Bravo,
by the
Kuma.
Heat. And this game, the first chance they've had to see the San Antonio Spurs.
Vai
And
Winslow.
there were a few teams that gave them trouble last year, but this team
Ma
was
porca
one
puttana,
that you
Winslow del
wouldn't have
cazzo.
expected.
Well, what you will expect, Greg, is that they will have added motivation
Bravo.
for this game. They
Dai,
want to
Wade,
prove that they
il
should
mitico
be the
Wade.
favorite to win against
Vai,
any
Wade.
team they face.
Now here's Freak. Tight defense on him.
Cazzo di blocco di merda.
Right side up top.
Vai.
His first shot attempt.
Yes, sir.
And the jumper falls for him.
And how about the bounce pass there being used to
Dai.
perfection?
San Antonio leading.
1-6 San Antonio,
Now let's find
1-5
out what
Miami,
Greg Popovich
bravissimo.
had to say to Doris Burke. Doris?
One player he said they can't overlook is Chris Bosh. He said Bosh is the perfect complementary
Vai
scorer.
Kuma.
He can hit
Yes,
the
sir.
and also really crash the
Bravo,
offensive
Kuma,
boards.
dai.
We simply can't get so caught up elsewhere that we allow him to have a big night. And Kevin at 6'11",
Tony.
Bosh really an anchor in that front court. When he plays well, they're
Merda,
tough to
Turner.
beat.
Thanks, Doris. That's
Bello.
good. Turner's got
Bello, il
5.
porco di Turner l'ha
How
messa.
about the last minute
Vai
decision
Kuma.
there to pull the
Ragazzi vi
shot
ricordo
down
se
and
capite
get a
come
better
simulare
one
qualche
for your
partita
team.
mi fate un favore immenso
Right
perché
side, a screen on Parker.
no, il tempo è poco
Freak with
ed è
it.
dura fino a una
11
stagione.
points for him in that last game against the
Ma
Pacers in
dai.
Indianapolis.
And not to mention the 4 big steals on the night, getting after it on both ends.
Fanculo
Stoudemire's checked in
stronzo.
for Miami. Green comes in for Dwayne Wade. Then for the Spurs, Spates checked in for Duncan. West
Turner.
comes in for LaMarcus Aldridge.
L'ho
It's
perso
Mills
io,
in
qua l'ho
for
perso
Parker.
io. Allora, meno
Mills
male.
can't hit. The Heat have gone 50% from the field in the first quarter, 8 of 16. Freak dishes to Winslow.
Ta, 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 ta. Bella, lo manda al bar.
Shoots.
Ah, che il ferro lo sputa.
San Antonio's
Fanculissimo.
gone 2 or 3 from deep so far in this game. Here's Spates. Against Phoenix, he was really
da
on
casa
his
sua la
game.
tira.
And
Sì,
Turner
vabbè,
with the
a
basket on the assist
cagare,
from
dai.
Spates. And it's 8 points for Evan Turner.
You can't afford to get him that
Miami un
kind
po'
of
in
a look.
difficoltà.
Well, you know, he came off a good screen, but still, as a defender, you've got to do a better job of fighting over and through that.
Freak passes to
Buono.
Bosch. And a foul on the
Fallo,
shot. He'll go to the stripe for 2.
Non male.
And let's take
Non
a moment,
male,
guys,
Beppe,
to
non
get your
male.
take on the scoring
Bosch.
so far for the Spurs.
Well, I'll tell you what, they must have had a good shoot-around because they've been fantastic
Ancora
from long
Bosch.
range so far, fellas.
Also, guys, the passing has been terrific in the first half. They'll be happy with all those assists.
Boris
Dai,
Diaz
dai.
checked in for the Spurs. He kicks it to Mills.
Mills.
Wide open. Another
Fare
one
in
falls
culo.
for San Antonio.
Mi ha mandato lui al bar stavolta.
A chance at a 2-for-1 if they want it.
If I'm them, I try it.
Freak kicks to Winslow. To the inside.
Bravo. Yes.
Hard to get that one off with the size.
Bravi ragazzi, dai.
That makes it a tough individual matchup for him, especially down low.
Well, took on the big guys
Fallo di
going in
Veneziano.
there.
So it's both teams making substitutions here. San Antonio also
Ragazzi, il terzo quarto, 5-3 San Antonio, 5-0 Miami, 7 rimbalzi, 4 assist, 4 punti, con 61 di overall. Non mi sembra proprio una brutta statistica, soprattutto nei rimbalzi. Uno spaventoso nei rimbalzi, impressionante. Problemi un po' il tiro, ma ripeto, con questi parametri, con 61 di parametri, non puoi pretendere di fare tanti punti. Bisogna avere un po' di pazienza, ragazzi.
That's the kind of aggressive and assertive play they need as we get closer and closer to crunch time.
Così tanti rimbalzi, una volta che divento forte anche al tiro con gli assist che faccio. Sono cazzi, sono cazzi.
It just seems like the more he touches it, the more the lead grows.
Questa partita.
You got it. Let's get the ball inside.
Now here's Freak, covered by Parker. Bosch sets the pick for Freak inside.
Buono. Devo usare tanto il pick and roll, ragazzi, perché mi dà tanti assist e un po' dare punti in questo momento, perché dalla media hanno dato un po' di tiri nel secondo quarto e solo mattoni.
Momentum can swing on plays like that, Kevin, especially when the finish has that much thunder on it.
Sta giocando molto bene Albridge.
Coming into the game, is it fair to say he's hotter?
Let's get the ball inside.
Now here's Freak. He's tightly guarded. Wade kicks to Bosch.
Bravissimi, bravissimi.
Nice feed that time from Dwayne Wade. Bosch has got 10 points in the quarter.
Stiamo giocando molto bene.
Has opened things up for them offensively.
10 straight points off assist. That's very impressive, and it also makes the game easy.
Albridge ancora, facciano quello che vuole il piccolo Albridge.
Wade picks him up. Green kicks to Aldridge.
Sì, però dovete marcarlo, cioè, sto marcando meglio io che difendo sia una pippa.
And when they've gone to him, he has come through big time. You gotta keep getting him touches.
Bosch, a screen on Parker.
Vai.
Wide open look for Freak.
Niente, oh, non ne va mezzo. Non ne va mezzo.
Shot is good, and the Spurs lead is cut down to just 1 on the basket from Wade.
Non ne va mezzo.
Always doing the dirty work on the offensive glass, and that's one of the things he brings to the table.
And another basket.
Dai, vai a cagare West, filo di Troia. Stanno parlando via San Antonio.
6 of their 12 shots to drop for him here in the second half so far.
Get the ball inside.
Now here's Freak, covered by Parker.
Non riesco a fare neanche una penetrazione decente.
Now here's Freak. 6 to shoot. Lets it go from 14.
No, non me la puoi sbagliare questa però, dai.
San Antonio leading by 3. And the foul call.
Ma dov'è il fallo? Vabbè,
that'll be his second foul of the game.
Calma,
a different look for
calma.
Miami.
Second foul of the game.
He's checked in for Whiteside. Winslow comes in for Luol Deng. And it's Gerald Green in for Dwayne Wade. Spates checked in for San Antonio. Mills comes in for Turner. Mills with it, and Bosch picks him up defensively. From the line, Mills can't hit.
Ok.
I love the
stiamo giocando bene, però a meno abbiamo. Buono.
To get into the perfect spot.
You got it. Let's get the ball inside.
Bisogna aumentare un po' i punti però.
Stoudemire with a screen on Green. Off the screen, and it's Stoudemire.
Jam station come indiana, però super assist. Devo solo sistemare la realizzazione, ma 61 abbiamo già belle statistiche che sono fondamentali, ragazzi, per salire le statistiche.
Green kicks to Spates. Outside, Green pass to Spates. And Parker, here we go.
Beh, qua non potevo fare poco, uno contro Parker, signore. Perché puoi fare molto.
This quarter, the game plan is simple, folks. Get him the ball and get out of the way.
Fallo. Brutto fallo sul Kuma. Finalmente una buona penetrazione.
He put up about 6 points per game, 5 assists and 2 rebounds. And he's very steady with that second unit, running the offense and getting them into their sets.
Right. I mean, your backup point guard simply has to hold the fort, maintain the status quo, share the basketball.
Dalla linea della carità 1 su 2.
Here's what San Antonio's going with right now. Diaw comes in for David West, and it's Ginobili in for
Ginobili.
Ginobili misses. He'd have gotten half their shots to drop in the second half up to this point, going 7 of 14. To tie,
Vai Kube. Oh yes!
A foul on the shot. The bucket's good. He'll go to the line.
Dai, gioco da 3 punti.
Yes. And that drops, so they now lead by
Molto
1.
bene.
It's been a nice game for Freak. 8 rebounds and 6 assists. He's getting it done, making plays by setting up his teammates and grabbing some nice boards too.
And also, how about the intangibles? All the little things that he's done. That's also.
E ancora rimbalzo, ragazzi. No, non rimbalzo. Potrei fare anche un double-double.
Stoudemire setting the pick for Freak.
Mai provocare il Kume. Mai provocare il Kume. Anzi, sarei in corsa che per una tripla raddoppia, per un double-double.
Yeah, they've had a number of empty ones a long time without a basket.
I gotta find something, you're right. Shots good by Mills.
Ho preferito sperare nel rimbalzo piuttosto che marcarlo, ragazzi, ma devo farlo per le statistiche. Devo pensare più a me stesso che alla squadra in questo momento della mia carriera.
You're going to win because of your performance, and on occasions, which was the case for them, it's the play of your opponent that allows you to escape with wins.
Well, you're right. I mean, there were a lot of turnovers in that game, some caused by their good defense.
Ah, brutta palla persa questa, cosa ho sbagliato io?
Carelessness.
Ho esagerato.
Green left side.
Mills.
And Mills kicks to Speights. Speights missing again.
Ma mi incula, ma vai a fare in culo, figlio di puttana, mi ha inculato.
And here's Freak. Here's Winslow. No good on
mi ha inculato il rimbalzo, sto minchione. Adesso rischio che nel quarto non gioco neanche un secondo, speriamo di no. Dai, ecco, ma 9-2-7-8 mi ha fatto giocare neanche un minuto, ma dai, che schifo.
On the court right now for the Spurs, the timeless Parker and Manu are the 1 and 2.
Merda.
Duncan is out there with Evan Turner, and it's Speights in at the center position. And the foul called on Freak. That's his third foul so far. Bonus situation in effect.
Non c'è più nessuno allo stadio, bello. Bel palazzetto, anzi.
Good on the second free throw.
Che cesso, però.
9 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Pulls it from 20.
A cagare, va. 78 punti l'ultimo quarto, grazie che mi hai fatto giocare, grazie. Il Kume c'è, la squadra no, seconda sconfitta. Raga, aspetto messaggi per capire come si simula delle partite. Un saluto al Kumendone. Iniziamo. Ciao!
Well, folks, that's going to do it for now.